Welcome back to Glam Tones. It's your girl Gigi, and I got a new tarot deck. I thought I would show it off to you guys because look at how beautiful the colors are. The back of the card is pretty. It's fine. Actually, it's pretty. I don't want to say fine. It's pretty, but these, look at the colors. I feel inspired by these. I feel like I'm definitely going to pull some color combos from this. I really can't wait to play with them some more. But right now we're playing with these. And as you can see, I've got a lot of stuff out. And some of it we're not going to use. I tried some things out. I didn't like them. We moved on. There it is. That's how life is sometimes. You try some stuff. You're like, nah, I didn't like that. I'm not what I thought it was going to be. And you move on. One thing that I've not moved on from the moment I started it, though, was nails. Still love doing nails. Still love doing nails. So this green color, it's kind of a tealy, Tiffany sort of green. Not Tiffany blue, but sort of that same vein of the Tiffany blue. That's the first coat. Now we're coming in with a beautiful, beautiful second coat. And then we're going to, and that's all the nails across the whole thing. Then we're going to decorate them. And I was thinking when I was going to do them that they'd be kind of romantic and Valentine's Day inspired. The more I played with them, the more I realized they kind of looked like your grandma's couch coming at you, but not in a bad way, like in the best possible way. So that's what we're going to call them, my grandma's couch nails. I think they are just so adorable. I love them so much. So this is some transfer gel. And now we're going to start doing some stuff. Now, I'm having some trouble with my transfer gel. Here's the thing. Two things now. The first thing was that it starts to yellow after it's been open for a while. And that's a bummer because you can't use it on white or any colors that are light because the yellow changes the color, or it makes a white just look straight up yellow, and it's not a pretty yellow. It's like I'm cleaning out my earwax yellow, right? It's not pretty. So sorry for that visual. Now I'm going to take some other ones. We're going to do some layering here, and all of the flowers that we're using, they were all on a sheet together, actually two different sheets. But I didn't want to just use them the way they came. I wanted to just create my own pattern. And honestly, I think that's how we started getting into the grandma's couch territory. But again, like in the very best way, the best way. So because I'm not saying that like I don't like it. I'm not saying I don't like grandma's couch either. It's a cute couch. But anyway, back to the problems I'm having. I'm just going to keep putting flowers down, guys. You're going to see most of it, some of it, not all of it, because there's a lot of flowers I'm going to put down, but you're getting the gist of what we're doing here. I like this little tool. So now, when I first got this transfer gel, it's by iMethod Beauty, by the way. It worked so good. I thought I found my favorite for life, but then the yellowing happened. And now, as it's gotten older, it doesn't stick as good anymore. It's more like, instead of being tacky, it's more like gummy. And that's not the quality that you want because it's sort of stringing off. Like right there with that blue flower that didn't come off. It just sort of strung, like the glue was stringy almost. And so I'm going to have to investigate some more options because I really love transfer foil. And as I get better at art, maybe, it's something I rely on a little less, but never completely because there's just so many beautiful transfer foils. And sometimes you don't have time to spend hours painting flowers on your nails. You need to get done. And that's what transfer foil does for you in just a few seconds. Literally, in the amount of time it takes to put a layer of polish and then cure for a minute, some are 30 seconds, and then to lay a piece down and rub it and peel the plastic paper off, you're done. And what does that take? 2 minutes? It's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. So I would never completely get rid of transfer foil in my life. Also, I like to put it on my toes a lot because it's not always easy to hold yourself in the position long enough to do nail art on your personal toes, at least for me. And that's even when I'm really doing yoga a lot, which I'm about to get back into yoga now that I'm feeling better, you guys. I cannot wait. I'm just slowly starting with taking walks and stuff to get my strength back up, and I feel like I'm just a day or two away from starting some yoga again, and I'm really, really excited about it. So we're just continuing with the transfer foil. I've got some butterflies there, and I figured the butterflies could help me in some more areas where maybe something did not come off correctly, like on that blue flower. We put that pretty butterfly there. Bing, bang, boom, done. Because butterflies are on top of flowers all the time, so you expect to see that. It's not outside the realm of possibility. Sorry, I did jump out of frame there a bit, just a bit. So just touching real quickly on that, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm so happy about that. I feel like I'm getting my life back. But one thing that has not gotten better is my voice. I feel like there's some gravel in there. So, excuse me, right there. Actually, right there. And I'm hoping that that's going to settle down real soon because I'm not enjoying it. And it's definitely, I feel like I don't sound like myself, and it's something I'm not enjoying. So here we are. I'm having trouble. See, I wanted to show you guys. Here we go. It's not happening. So what we're going to do, I didn't throw that out. Well, this is not the one. There's another one. I'm just deciding what I'm going to put in that spot to cover that. But there's another one that's about to come up where I have to do a little patchwork situation. You'll see that in a second because this transfer foil gel is it's not doing its job. So it's bumming me out, y'all. And to that end, let me know in the comment section, if you would, please. What is your favorite transfer foil gel? And if it's not something I can get on Amazon, let me know the website I can get it on, please. And I'll shout you out if I find that I love it. So the thing that we're going to add now is some water decals. And I've made a mistake. And I'm going to show you that mistake straight up right in the video, right here, because it's a mistake anyone could make. I'm going too fast. I'm being impatient. That was first mistake. The second mistake is coming up. And when you're working with transfer foil gel, you need to clean it off before you add anything else, because normally that sticker would just move. But now I'm going to have to remove it because the transfer foil gel is still there and it got stuck. Luckily, it did not ruin it, and I was able to just lay it back down where I wanted it to be, but that could have easily ripped. It could have easily been ruined, and I would have had to take some acetone to wipe it away, which could have ruined the transfer foil gel or transfer foil. So just don't forget to wipe off your sticky layers when in between things, because mistakes like this happen, and they happen to absolutely everyone. So we're just putting love, little messages of love. One says, I love you. One says love. One says something else. But they're all love. They all say love. And so that does bring it into the Valentine's realm. But you could put any words on there. Anything. You don't have to make it about love. You could make it about travel. You could make it about fashion. You could make it about flowers. You could write whatever you want. You could write your name. Especially if you're really good at tiny lettering like that. I feel like Votino could do something like that maybe. I'm not 100% sure that I could do tiny lettering. I know I've done larger stuff, especially with that pop art stuff, which I love doing that. I feel like a new pop art thing is coming. Maybe, do you guys want a Valentine's Day pop art? We've got 2 more days of videos before Valentine's is gone. So this is the finished set, you guys. Look at how cute they came out. I love them so much. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you like today's video, go ahead and give me a subscribe. I can't tell you how happy it makes me. I do a little dance every time it happens. So if you want to imagine me dancing with happiness, go ahead and hit that button. Thanks a lot again for watching. We're going to see you on Saturday. Bye-bye.